there's been one film reel outfit and you know बहुत ही यूनिक कॉन्सेप्ट था एंड जब पिक्चर में दिखाया था रेफरेंस तो you know लगा कि कैसे करेंगे ये वो बट स्टाइलिस्ट अमी शी पुट टुगेदर सच अ ब्यूटीफुल आउटफिट मतलब एकदम एक ड्रेस की तरह ही लग रहा था ऐसे नहीं लग रहा था कि कुछ आर्ट्स एंड क्राफ्ट्स की है बट it was amazing and it was sturdy, it was you know nice to photograph. मुझे नहीं लगता ये कभी पहले अटेम्प्ट किया गया है for any shoot in fact.
12,000 से ज़्यादा हमारी कंपनी में एम्प्लॉयज़ है और हम टेक्सटाइल, रियलिटी, हॉस्पिटैलिटी और एंटरटेनमेंट के क्षेत्रों में काम करता है। हमारी टीम में बहुत ही पैशनेट लोग हैं।
The vision from Mr. Jayesh Desai, who's the chairman of Rajan's Group, was very clear. One, he left it to us to kind of come up with a thought which would really elevate his company to the next level.
The client told us very clearly that Rajan's is not a brand which is going to just hang on with a personality or a celebrity and then go away after some time. It's going to be here for you and here for the customers. So we thought of doing something which is not just attention grabbing, but also it has got some content which is relevant and focused towards the brand.
For a photo shoot like this where I'm getting the opportunity to change, I think I'm making full use of it, which is good because you know even the campaign should look different because they're into so many things, hospitality, you know, movie theaters, residencies, so everything, every concept should have a different Sonakshi on it.
Something which we said, let's not do the regular celebrity stuff, you know, where you capture her 3/4 and then plaster her all over, but kind of create a concept around it where people look at the photograph and say, hey, what's this? You know, and there's a very subliminal message that comes to it.
We've done 4 major sets, and then the rest of them are composites on a grey background. So yeah, but it was a great experience. You know, getting it done fast and making sure that we have a good turnaround time. And definitely, I think Sonakshi's given us a fair amount of time. I mean, nobody gives about 3 days. But they've also shot like a whole load of identity. So I think in terms of the client, they've shot almost about 4 campaigns in the 3 days.
Rajan's is a very aspirational brand, you know, for me to be associated with so early on in my career. I think बहुत लोगों को ये opportunity इतनी जल्दी नहीं मिलती है and I've been very fortunate, but also because early on in my career and they as well are growing right now. Their business is booming and they're coming into a lot of different things. So to grow along with each other, you know, was a good prospect for the both of us.
जब हम राजंस ग्रुप के लिए एक ब्रांड एम्बेसडर ढूंढ रहे थे, हम एक ऐसे नए चेहरे की तलाश में थी जो कॉर्पोरेट ब्रांड में ज़्यादा एक्सपोज नहीं हुआ और साथ में ही एक ऐसी पर्सनालिटी जो हमारे ग्रुप के हर क्षेत्र को अच्छी तरह से रिप्रेजेंट करे और देश के अंदर हर फैमिलीज अपनी ओर आकर्षित करे।
ये मेरा पहला आई थिंक बहुत ही इलेबरेट कॉन्सेप्ट शूट है जहाँ पर बिकॉज इट्स हॉस्पिटैलिटी तो हमने एक फूड स्पेशलिस्ट को बुलवाया था सेट पर एंड वो बैठकर स्पगेटी के साथ मुझ पर ड्रेस बुन रहे थे यू नो एंड हैपनिंग लाइव इट सेल्फ तो रिजल्ट आई एम वेटिंग फॉर इट माई सेल्फ देखते हैं कैसा होगा बट आई थिंक इट्स समथिंग वेरी वेरी यूनिक बहुत ही अनहर्ड ऑफ कॉन्सेप्ट यू नो कोई ऐसा करता तो है नहीं we're doing it for the first time and I think we're very proud of that fact.
The beautiful part about the shoot today is to be able to shoot a lifestyle, to sell an emotion. It's all about a feeling. It's all about placing people in a situation where they can experience things. So it's all about telling them what they would experience.
red outfit which was with the angel wings at the back, that was one of my favorites. I think it was so beautiful, so fluid, so feminine, and the quality that it brought out in the picture was something else. It was very, very nice.
भारतीय संस्कृति में हमें कहानियाँ सुनाई जाती है जिसमें परियाँ आके हमारी ज़िंदगी में खुशियाँ भर देती है। खुशियाँ देने वालों परी की कल्पना हमने हमेशा पंख के साथ की है। हम भी इसी तरह खुशियाँ बांटना चाहते हैं, इसीलिए द विंग्स ऑफ हैप्पीनेस थीम को चुना है।
She has a certain style and she knows how to work it, and you can see as you look at the images in the campaign, she takes it well. I mean, she understands where she's going. She's just not a pretty girl. She's somebody that can actually project, and I think that's coming through very well.
For their shopping complexes and all, we got a special dress stitched which had barcode on it. तो शूट करते टाइम कोस्टर मुझे कह रहा था कि डोंट गो इनटू एनी शॉप, तुम्हें बेच देंगे कहीं पे, क्योंकि the whole print was of a barcode and it looked lovely, it looked very chic.
We initially thought we'd make a gown out of shopping bags, and then we thought we should create a shopping bag on her, and then finally we just did this really beautiful fitted peplum dress with barcodes on it, and it was practical, it was non-drama, but it was still very elegant and impactful.
My next film coming after this is Son of Sardar. So I think going from this completely Hollywood diva-esque kind of look, I've become one Punjabi kudi in Son of Sardar. So I think it's a good change that will happen, and I'm sure people are looking forward to the film as well, क्योंकि दिवाली रिलीज है, बहुत ही धमाकेदार फिल्म है, मज़ा आया शूट करते वक्त, and hopefully the audiences will also enjoy it.